going to make a really fun zipper pull for a backpack or a purse. So I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and just lay it down into my Bowdabra. And I'm tucking the ends underneath, but I'm not attaching them to anything. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I just have all these pieces of trim, so I'm just going to lay them down into my Bowdabra. And there's nothing difficult about this. I'm just taking my pre-cut pieces of trim, laying them into my Bowdabra, and I like to mix and match my trims so that it gives a little bit of texture to the bow. What I've done is I've pre-beaded this piece of Bowdabra bow wire. I'm just going to lay that down in here, scrunch everything down, take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring this through the slip knot, and that's the reason that I folded it in half. I'm going to pull it really tight, take it out of the Bowdabra, separate my ends, bring them around the back, and then my beads have a piece of Bowdabra bow wire here, so I'm just going to thread it through my zipper pull, tie a knot, and you have this really cute little tassel that can go on your backpack or your purse. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.